Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. My name is Amarpreet Kaur and I am your computer teacher. Today we will start a chapter number 4 whose name is Lists and Tables in HTML. First write the date and day on the top of this topic. And now what are the lists and tables in HTML? These are the various things which we will use in the HTML, means hypertext markup language. Okay. How we can make a list and tables in HTML, we will read in this chapter. Okay, first is introduction. You have studied about HTML in your previous class. We had used various HTML tags to create a web page. Now in HTML we can use various tags like you can make a body tag. Under body tag you can write anything, and you can also close that tag. Okay, if you are using a tag, there is a need to close that tag and to create a web page. In this chapter we will learn about some more features of the HTML, like creating list and table. We will do two main feature in this chapter, is how we can create a list and how we can create a table. Now first one is creating list. Now how we can create a list, let's read. First, a list is a collection of related items. Now, what is a list? Suppose you make a list, you write something, you write the items. Okay. Now, list is just a collection of items. This feature helps us to present the information in an organized manner. Underline these two lines. Okay. We can write an information in an organized form in a list. There are three types of list. Now what are those? First is ordered list, second is unordered list, and third is definition list. That can be created in HTML to display the items in the form of list. Now we can use these three types to display the items in the list. Okay, let us learn about these in detail. Okay, now we will do it in detail. First is ordered list. Okay, underline this word ordered. Also learn the spelling of ordered. Now what is a ordered list? It is also called the numbered list. Okay. Now the tag OL is used to create an ordered list. Which tag we use? OL. Okay, ordered and list. O means ordered and L means list. And this type of list is used to display the items in a sequential manner. Underline up to this. Okay, underline these three lines. Now why we use the ordered list? We want to because we want to display the items in a sequence manner. Okay, sequence wise means number wise. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3, like this. For example, steps in an algorithm. You can take an example of algorithm, because we also follow the same manner in case of algorithm, like LI. LI tag is used to define an item in the list. Underline this. Okay, this tag, LI tag, we use to define the item. Okay, which item you are using. It can be used as an empty tag. You can also use it as an empty tag or a container tag. Okay, now the OL tag have a two attributes. Okay, underline this line. It has a two attributes. First is type and the second is start, which you can use in the following manner. Okay, we use the two attributes in case of OL. Now look at the example. Okay, type is A. We'll start the list from A. Okay, you are starting from A. Here you are typing A. Okay, now next thing you will write in the list is A. Okay, type A and start 4, and we'll start the list from B. Okay, you are starting from A, and at the position of fourth D will come. Okay, you will start from fourth. Okay, now next is 1, and but you are starting from 25, and next is I, but you are starting from double I. Okay, and here is I, but you are writing here 4. Okay, now below table shows the different examples of type attribute. Okay, now here you can say A means uppercase letters, you can write like this, and lowercase letters and uppercase Roman letters are here, and lowercase Roman letters are here, and these are the numbers. Okay, these are the contents of the type attribute. Okay, now next is let us use the OL tag. How we can use a ordered list tag. This is start from HTML tag, and first take a head tag, and then under head we take the title tag. Here you can write the name of your web page. Okay, ordered list or number list we are writing. Now close title tag, also close head tag. Okay, now come to the body tag. Under body tag we can write content. Okay, summer fruits. Okay, we will write the name of summer fruits in a bold form. Okay, we are using a B tag. Next we will start a HR tag, and here we are using a, look at here. Okay, here we are using a ordered tag. Okay, order tag means here you can see a answer. First we will write a apple, and second we will write a mango, banana, and pineapple. Here we are closing the order list. Okay, order tag, and here we will close the body tag, and at the end, because we have started from a HTML tag, here we will do the end of HTML tag. Okay, here you can make a list like this, and this is the ordered list. Okay, and this is number wise. Okay, now next is unordered list. Okay, now what is unordered? Unordered list is also called bulleted list. Okay, we use a bullet form. The UL tag is used to define an ordered list. Now its tag is U. U means unordered, L means list. Okay. There are three bullet styles that can be used in unordered. Now what are these? First we use this dot. Okay, this is a solid dot, and this is a empty inside. This is a circle, this is a disk, and second is circle, and third one is square. Okay, now default bullet style which we use is, underline this line. By default we use the disk. Okay, which bullet we use? This one. Okay, disk. Okay, let us use the UL tag to create unordered list. Now how we can create an unordered list? Same, right here HTML, and take head tag, and also write a title here and close the title and head. Now come to body part, and here you can see ordered list. Okay, here you can write a winter clothes. Okay, we are taking a heading of winter clothes. Here you take a sweaters, woolen caps, gloves, jackets. Now close the unordered list. Okay, here unordered means we are using we are not using a numbers here. Okay, in case of ordered we have used a 1, 2, 3, and 4 number, but here no numbers are shown here because we are using a bullet form. Okay. Okay, now close the body tag and HTML tag. Okay, and next, every list has the ability to be placed inside another list. Okay, and now you can create a list within list. Okay, for example, an ordered list can be nested inside an unordered list. Okay, you can take a ordered list inside the unordered. Okay, here you are taking a unordered, and under unordered you can take a ordered list. Okay, and you can also take a opposite case. You can take a ordered outside and inside unordered. Okay, now take a HTML tag, head title you can take here, and this is your head tag, body tag, and then take the fruits and vegetables you can take. Okay, now look at here. Okay, unordered list we are taking here. Okay, we will take the fruits and vegetables. Okay, first take the fruit. Here you can look here, you can see the output, fruits and vegetables. First take a bullet form. Okay, fruit. Under fruits you can take a mango and grapes. Okay, we're taking a mango and grapes. And from here under ordered list we are taking a unordered list. Okay, this is the unordered list, and we are closing the unordered list. Again we are taking the vegetables, and again under vegetables we are taking a unordered list. Okay, we are taking potato and onions. Okay, and now close here. Okay, close here your unordered list. We have started from here. Okay, now close the body tag and HTML tag. Okay. Now next is definition list. Third one is here. Now what is definition list? The description list is also known as definition list. This is description list is the another name of definition list. Description list is created by using the DL tag in conjunction with the DD or DT tags. Now underline these lines. Okay, we use a DL tag here. We can use also a DD tag or DT. Okay, DL tag define. Now what is the role of DL? Defines the entire description list. Okay, and DT means define the description term. Okay, and DD tag defines the description definition. Okay, it is the description list, and it is a description term, and it is a description definition. Okay, now let us use the DL tag, means definition list here. First take the HTML tag here, take a head tag, and at the head tag we write a title here. Okay, and take a title definition list because we are doing this topic. Now close the head tag here. Now come to body. Now under take the example of under body tag, example of definition list. Okay, now next here is your HR and DL. Now here is DL. Now under DL, okay, definition list, write DT. Definition, it is a DT is your description term. Okay, description term, write the beverages and close your tag immediately after writing it. Okay, now this is your description. Now what is DD? It is a description definition. Okay, it is a description definition. Write a hot and cold drinks. Okay, here we are taking the beverages. Okay, under beverages, take a subtopic cold, hot and cold drinks. Okay, you can use a DD command to write the subtopic. Okay, and next is again DT. Description term is this one. Okay, and cappuccino right here, and under DD you can write another term by putting a space here. So use a DD tag here. Okay, write the hot drinks. Okay, now close the DL and also close the body tag and HTML tag. Now today we will cover up to this. Read up to this topic. Thank you, students. Stay home, stay healthy.